Okay, everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a happy piano sort of Lil Yachty sort of beat, So I'm going to start by keeping the BPM at 130. And I'll open up an FL keys. I'm going for a terrible sort of piano sound. Yeah, I can do something with that. So this will be a major scale. And then I'll bring up the highs even more a bit. That'll be alright. So, head into, actually, I'll go into the snare, find a stamp, major 7th, F major maybe. See what I can do. Come over here, mute that, back there, there we go. Maybe F to A? That'll be alright. Then what I'll do, oops, a bit zoomed in there. Here, what is it? Quick chop, no, chop. Maybe I'll bring that down there, oops. Sounds fine. Still sounds a bit, actually I'll pitch it up once I export as a sample. One more thing I'll do here, a little bit of strum. Wait, what does it sound like? Way too slow. It's like a half tone, dude. So I'll put a hi-hat, clap. I reckon I'll leave that just as a 2-step hi-hat. Very basic beat this will be. Yeah, it's nice. Find some one-shots, that's it. Basic clap as well. Now I definitely got to do something. Actually, I'll open up a isotope vinyl, old one. Yep. So once we've got that piano melody sort of going, I'll cut it over here, paste it, render as audio clip, start that, and then I'll probably pitch it around in a bit, but I'll get started on these drums. Get rid of that, don't need that. Kick, probably a rack kick, don't know. All these sounds will be from my free drum kit, link in description. Where is it? That'd be fine. I do know that this 808 is going to be very distorted. Be a heavy 808. I'll most definitely be sidechaining this kick to the 808 as well. Let's find an 808 now. Give that a go actually. Oops. Hang on. No, I'll leave it like that. Doom, doom. I don't know actually, hang on. That'll be alright, I guess. Maybe some perks. Definitely an open hat. Start with that actually. Maybe some perks now. Seems nice, little texture. Nope. Maybe not. Triangle. That's happy. That's too loud already. I'll put some reverb so it's got a bigger tail. Actually pan these, hang on. Panning. And I'll do the same thing over here maybe. These two can be panned a bit. No, actually, because it hits at the same time. Yeah, it's better. Knew I wanted to pan something, some kick. So now I'll link this kick to the 808. Should be on 4. Check my sidechain video for an in-depth tutorial on this. I'm going over it pretty quick. Make this kick a bit harder as well. Put a limiter first, and then I'll open up Cymatic Stabilo Lite. Alright, I might... I'll mute the 808 and I'll pitch it up so I can hear it with the drums as well. That's up 2 on the 808. 1, 2. That's alright. Now, that should be it. Just add that signature rise. Now split by channel. Get rid of all those. Go to this side, split by channel. Take these out. Same length, whoops. I'm not sure what to start. I might start with get rid of the 808, get rid of the kick, get rid of the perk, open hat as well maybe. I'll have an impact, I reckon. Maybe probably an open hat. I might do some cool automation with maybe a halftime or something, just to switch it up a little bit. I don't like that really. Definitely want to do automation somewhere. New vinyl. A lot of wear maybe. It could work. Create an automation clip real quick. Drag this over here. Down here. Down here. That works. Hats are a bit boring. I'll randomize the panning. Just make this track a bit wider overall. Maybe, nah, that's enough. Clap. What's that? I might layer that actually. Might find another clap I like. That's pretty basic. Or maybe in a light snare. That's alright. Two and a half minutes. Short song. Keep it like that. Then I cut out the 808. Breakdown. Same thing. Whoops, shouldn't have done that. Works. Now, I might actually just hit him with a long... I'll get a new one. I'll just copy that over there. Well, actually, no, I don't need it. Do I? Hang on. No, I don't need it. I'll get a long crash. I'll use this and this. I don't need that actually. What I'll do, put some effects, very light effects on this one. Maybe. Nah. So there you go, guys. That's my happy piano tutorial. Very basic beat, but I think it goes pretty hard. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.